Paranoid. Someone who is overly worried or suspicious about things. Example sentence: Sarah thought everyone was talking about her at the party. She's so paranoid. Prick. An insulting term for someone who is mean or annoying. Example sentence: John didn't even say sorry after bumping into me. What a prick. Pervert. Someone with inappropriate or creepy behavior. Example sentence: That guy staring at everyone is such a pervert. Suck up. Someone who excessively flatters others to gain favor. Example sentence: Lisa brought coffee for the boss again. She's such a suck up. Scumbag. An insulting term for a dishonest or unpleasant person. Example sentence: The guy who cheated in the game is a total scumbag. Selfish. Caring only about oneself and not others. Example sentence: Mark didn't share the pizza. He's so selfish. Show off. Someone who loves to brag or display their achievements. Example sentence: Emily keeps talking about her new car. What a show-off. Slowpoke. A playful term for someone who is very slow. Example sentence: Hurry up, Slowpoke. We're going to be late. Sociopath. A person with little empathy, often manipulative or deceitful. Example sentence: He lied to everyone and didn't care. What a sociopath. Punk. A rebellious or disrespectful person. Example sentence: The kid who spray painted the wall is such a punk. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.